You're back. We're going to Slime Factory.
It has a lot of slime, and you can make slime there.
It has a lot of slime?
Yeah.
So right now we're in the elevator. We're trying to find the Slime Factory.
It's S.
All right, here we go. Elevator time.
SS.
Let's go. We're at the Slime Factory. Slime Factory. Okay, let's go see what they have in here. Kosta's in Slime Factory.
Yeah.
What are you wearing, bud?
I'm wearing the vest and goggles.
Yeah, it's an official. What does that say? The Slime Factory. What's going on here? What are all these for?
It's all slime.
These are pretty cool, right?
And put it around all over here until it dries.
Yeah. What are these guys? Uh-oh.
It's slime.
What are these guys? I have no idea what these guys are for. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Dude, you wearing glasses?
Yeah. These are goggles.
So we're gonna go in the Slime Factory.
By 6.
Oh, I see slime right here.
By 6 o'clock.
Yeah? We're gonna make slime. Kosta's gonna make slime today. Yay! You got there, buddy? This is gonna be your station? Wow, you're legit. You have glasses on, you have the slime glasses. What is this right here? Oh, that's the ingredients of the slime. Step one. Step one of making slime. Good job. So he's combining, looks like that's glue.
Yeah, glue.
What's the other one?
Shaving cream.
Oh, glue and shaving cream.
That's activator.
So he's combining glue, shaving cream. And what else do we have here? What is this stuff?
That's activator.
Oh, that's activator.
Yep, but not yet.
Cool.
Before that, we have one more step.
So it's 3 ingredients.
4.
Oh, 4.
Yeah, you got it.
Oh, nice. Mix, mix, mix.
Next time we ask, we're gonna ask what's next. Say color, okay?
Mix it all nice. Good job. How does that feel? The slime master. Or you're the slime scientist, right? The slime master,
Yeah.
right? It's a good job mixing it. Awesome. Oh, we're putting in the color now. Ooh, look at that. Good job. Mix it all nice. Mix, mix, mix. And it's turning color right now.
Yeah.
See, it's like a science experiment.
Yeah.
We have the activator. We have the shaving cream. What else do we have? We have the glue. Yeah, we have a lot of stuff in there. And then finally we have the color. Oh, that's nice. Kosta, you're doing a good job. Yay, Kosta. He's making blue. He's making, yeah. That's nice. Make sure you get all around as well right there. Oh, mommy's taking a picture. Yeah. Good job, buddy. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Yay. How does that feel?
It looks so good.
Yeah?
Yeah, I feel like the sky.
It's like slime, right? So then you put some of this. Oh, now it's really turning sticky. Keep mixing, keep mixing. Yeah, there you go. I think that's slime. Yeah. Whoa, look at that. Oh, yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. Keep mixing. Mix, mix, mix. How does it feel?
It feels really
It
good.
looks like a, right? Like a blob. Don't touch it though.
It always
Yeah. Stir, stir, stir.
I'm gonna see if it's ready, alright?
Keep stirring. Oh, you gotta knead it with your hands. Wow, look at that. How does that feel?
Sticky still.
Sticky, sticky?
Yep.
You know the secret. It's pretty cool. What is your name?
Melody? Yes.
So we have Melody here helping Costa. Oh, there it is. I think we got it.
Back and forth. You can do it? Yeah. Alright, let me see your hands. Rub it together? Rub it together. Okay. Alright, now go back and forth. Don't let it sit,
Ooh.
okay? Go.
See how stretchy it is? Super stretchy.
Awesome. Put it in there when you're ready.
Yeah.
Can I see yours?
Ah, you have slimy hands. Slimy hands.
Alright, so his hands are warm, so before you play with it, I have to
So Melody's helping out Costa make the slime. Oh, there we go.
try it again.
I think we got it.
Alright, go back and forth. Don't let it sit, alright? Go like that. There. Go back and forth.
Mess. You made so much mess though. You gotta get all the slime out of your hands. Not the rubber. It feels so good. Put it here. You gotta make it quick, or else if you don't do it quickly, it's gonna stick to your hands. Close now? Oh, you got Yuki slime. Yuki slime.
It's like green slime.
Go like this. Like this. Bring it up. Like that. Oh, that's so creepy. Look here, look here. Ah. One more time. Oh, look at that.
Okay, do it again.
What's better than a pool of slime? I don't know. You always wanted to be in a pool of slime, Costa. Now you got it. Right? Test, we're all done. Yay, high five. How did you enjoy that? Was it good? Yeah? All right, so you have, oh, you made your own? Oh, look, we have our own slime to take home, babe. Look. Slimy. Slimy, oh, it feels so good.
Yeah.
What are those ice cream bits that have like the same color? Those little bits of ice cream?
It's rainbow.
Yeah, but what is it called? Those little ice cream bits? Ice cream dots.
Oh yeah.
It looks just like that, right?
Yeah.
Right there.
Like cotton candy.
And cotton candy, yeah.
Chocolate chip.
Did you enjoy the slime factory?
Yes,
Yeah?
definitely.
Pound it, pound it. Oh, you're gonna play big chess? Can I play? Sophia, you gonna play chess with Costa? Play chess. Where's Costa? All right, she's gonna move the piece. Yay, checkmate. Checkmate, yay, checkmate. Checkmate, checkmate, checkmate. Oh, that's not the way. That's not the way. Where's the checkmate? Where's the checkmate? Did you get checkmate?
Yeah.
I'm gonna destroy you in chess.
No.
These are huge pieces, right?
Yeah.
I like the black ones. Come this way. Sophia, come here. Was it a good experience?
It was good.
Come on. Ella. Come on. Yay, you did it. Ella, come on. Yay. Ella. Oh. Yay, Nuni.
Good job.
High five.
High five.
Oh, she wants to do it again. I think we're gonna be here all day. All right, we're going home now. How'd you like your slime? Yeah? So you get all that work just to make that one little container of slime?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's worth it.
The slime factory.
The slime factory. You know, it matches the color of your hat. You have the same colors.
Yeah.
Rainbow.
I should put my name here. Like my name.
Can I see your hat? Oh, cool hat.
It's PS4.
PS4, and you have a rainbow colored PS4?
Yeah.
And you have rainbow colored slime. Nice. All right, guys, so we're done. We're done with the slime factory, and we're heading on home. See you guys later.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.